Assalam alaikum. I hope you're all doing well. Today I am here with the 5-year-old version of the play worksheets. These are playful worksheets that your child will be actually thinking that they are playing, but they will be learning, they will be practicing their daily. So, this is for my 5-year-old. She is an early reader. She knows her CVCs. She's growing and reading. So, here I want her to practice her consonant blends, the L blends, B, K, F. So, this is an apple tree and it has all the words. So, she will color the B words red, K words green, and F words yellow. So she will read, identify, and color. Sometimes it gets very difficult for you to get them to read. So if you give them some worksheets like this, they will happily do it for you. You have to find all the boo words and color them
Red.
all the cool words and color them
Green.
and all the full words. What will you color the full words?
Yellow.
Yes. Come on, now you can start doing it.
Red.
Great job.
Yellow.
Good job.
Flush. Flush.
Is that SH? S and yes, floss.
Flash. Flash.
Good job. Now find all the cool words. Come on. And then this is a caterpillar. Greater number and less than and greater than caterpillar. So here it's very simple. I've just made a caterpillar and numbers here. She is going to make the alligator sign. 7 is greater than 4. 12 is greater or 21. This is very confusing. So that's how you will actually know that they have got the concept correctly. Just shuffle the numbers, and this is the best way to know that if they get the concept right or they're just, doing it. So 12 or 21. 21 is greater. 15 or 13. They should be really fluent with this. 12 or 21?
21.
Good job. 15 or 13?
15.
61 or 16?
16.
72 or 42?
70.
Good job. 60 or 80?
80.
42 or 24?
24.
24 is greater than 42.
42.
What are you doing? Yes, properly. Make it properly. It's like this. Okay. 29 or 31? Which one is greater?
29.
29 is greater than 31.
31.
Good job. High five. High five. Then number words. She's way behind in number words. We have done till from 1 to 6. I'm helping her practice the spellings also. So now we will start with 7 till 10. She does identify the number words. Here she will just be saving herself from the stars and go to the number words like 9. She just doesn't have to touch the stars. Go around the stars and reach 9. 8. Go around the stars and reach 8. So it's a fun way to just practice their matching and their number words and everything. Okay, so she has just started her getting the hang of odd and even numbers. So this worksheet is practicing the odd and even numbers. She will have to circle the even numbers and triangle the odd numbers. Just a quick practice. Number code and color. Addition facts. So she has to work on her addition facts now. This is a fun way to practice. If your child is learning numbers, you can do the same for numbers. And for subtraction, anything, you can just tweak it up for yourself. So here she will just add up like 6 plus 2 is 8. Color the box yellow. 6 plus 1 is 7. Color the box blue. So that's working on two skills, addition skills and problem solving skills. So that's important, to get their brains working. So give them activities like this. It really helps them to, have their brains working. Then digraph code and color. She has just finished her digraphs and I want her to practice. So she has to color the words pink, ch words yellow, sh words green, and w words blue. So she will read, figure it out, and color. Again, problem solving skill, and this is great. She is beginning to learn her Urdu sight words. So very basic. Still, it's a little difficult to get the hang since she doesn't speak Urdu yet. So I'm just doing 3 at a time. Hai, nahi, ye. And color coded, she will just color and read. I want to teach her the concept of half, whole, and quarter now. So that's just me going to teach her. She will color the whole jar. Here she will color the half jar, and here she will color the quarter jar. So she will know the visual representation of the quantities. Open the lock. This is a secret code. So if she spells the number words correctly, she will get the lock open. 402531. So she has to write the number words. She has to write the code in words to open the lock. Another fun way to have them practice their spellings.
T comes first or H?
Three.
T?
Three.
Then H? Then R? Then E? 30.
Good job.
3. Then 5.
V or E? V or U?
5. E, U, 5.
Five. It's a magic E. 5.
Wait.
Good job.
2. T. Why did you write this correct? W. O.
Rhyming words. Okay, so she is also starting. Still, she needs to get the hang of rhyming words. So this is another way to practice that. This depends on her if she wants to color match them or just match them. Tap, cap, hop, pop, hot, pot, match or color match, whatever your child wants to do. So these are some fun activities, play worksheets that you can do with your kids. Make learning fun for them, make it engaging, make it colorful, make it short, quick, and they will really want to do more and more. I hope this video was helpful. Inshallah, until next time, Allah Hafiz.